Hi, I'm Matt with CADimensions, and welcome to our PolyJet application series. I'll be covering the best applications of PolyJet 3D printing technology from Stratasys. The topic of this video is molding. There are a number of molding processes used in manufacturing today, such as injection, compression, and blow molding. Blow molding, for example, involves inflating hot plastic so that it conforms to the walls of a metal mold cavity. These molds are traditionally machined out of metal, which requires significant time and cost, and alterations after pilot runs can be problematic. 3D printing is not able to fully simulate the common properties and appearances of blow molded plastics, but where it excels is evaluating prototype molds prior to doing a full production run. If a metal mold fails, it can take a lot of time and money to redesign and remachine that mold. With PolyJet 3D printing, you can adjust the mold design quickly and have a new mold in hand within hours. This is great for short-run prototype form and function evaluation and low-volume manufacturing. PolyJet 3D printed molds are capable of producing hundreds of parts in production-grade plastics such as polyethylene, polypropylene, and PET. Here we have some molds made out of digital ABS, a simulated ABS material that is ideal for producing molds due to its high temperature resistance and superior finish. The smooth surfaces capture fine details within the mold and can be redesigned easily. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos about the capabilities of PolyJet.